Hello, I'm going to be making a Akatsuki tier list. So I made a previous video that I deleted, and the reason I deleted it is because I didn't think Nagato's decision through. So I'm mainly redoing the video because of that. Okay, so we're gonna start with the S's. Pain S, Itachi S, and where is Obito? So those are the S's I had. I have Itachi in front of Obito because I feel like Itachi's just better in every aspect, minus the Renegon, which Obito is basically just a slave for. Okay, we're gonna put White Zetsu in D tier, and Black Zetsu. Oh yeah, okay, she's like good support for Taka. Oh yeah, I'm a Orochimaru fanboy, so I had him at A. Uh, okay, before we do this, before we go on to Orochimaru, I'm gonna... Okay, so Nagato, I said in the prior video I had him at low A because my mind was mainly looking at Nagato, like kid Nagato, but adult Nagato, yeah, he's the mastermind behind Pain, so like I have to give him credit for that. But like solely only for that. Yeah, he's the mastermind behind Pain, so yeah, sure, therefore he knows how to use the Renegon. So I guess like he belongs S. But like himself, like he's nothing without Pain, really, I feel like. So for that, I'm just gonna like he is kind of nothing without Pain. I feel like you just get like wrecked by stronger characters. You know what? He does have a lot of chakra though, and maybe he could like fend for himself without Pain if he wasn't like as old and like deteriorated as shown on Shippuden. Because when Naruto finds Nagato, he's like a decrepit old man and he can't really fight. But I guess like the prime Nagato would be able to fend for himself without Pain, and then I'd put him in S if that was the case. But like we don't know enough, so uh, I think I'm just gonna put him like who do I want to put him like top of A? I'll just put him at top A for now, and we'll rearrange if we need to. Kakuzu Hidan. I had him in B's. Um, Datara, I think, is like top of B. Um, I feel like Hidan's a better version of Kakuzu, but if Hidan doesn't have doesn't have a buddy to like get all of his body parts in order that have been blown up, uh, I feel like he kind of suffers. So yeah, I think Datara is better than these guys. Sasori, that's the name. Sasori. I put Sasori in front of Datara because I felt like his puppets would do the work on all these guys. Um, maybe Datara like blows him up like with a nuke. So I'll put Datara there, I guess. But he does have that like eternal scroll thing. So if that were to uh, be intact after like a huge explosion, Datara's chakra would be gone, and then Sasori would win. But most likely, Datara just blows that shit up. Okay. Um, Kisame. We're gonna have Kisame there. Incredible Nenjutsu. Uh, his history was really cool. They made him seem like a really cool character, badass history. Um, Sick sword. This is also Kisame. I'm just gonna put him there because, yeah, same character. Okay, this one's a bit controversial too. Um, so yeah, theoretically, Obito is like the same here, but since I didn't really see anything from him besides, uh, you know what? He did beat Konan, but like, I feel like that's this kind of Obito. Because Obito, hold on, Obito, Conan. So did Obito have the Renegon here? No, he didn't. Okay, so yeah, that means, okay, yeah, my decision was fucked. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna say here, because if we're talking about this Obito, then yeah, in the previous video, I was just thinking about like dumb Toby, but I say, fuck. Okay, we're gonna do that. Oh yeah, Sasuke. I'm gonna say Sasuke is better than Obito. Um, this Obito, he's not better than this Obito. Actually, he will be better than that Obito, but at the end of the arc, but or at the end of the show, but right here, this Taka, um, Sasuke, I think it one ups this Obito. So yeah, Nagato, like, if he is prime and like knows what he's doing and like I we just never saw it. We never saw Nagato defend for himself besides the time that um what's his name? Besides the time this guy killed himself and then he brought out the ghetto Mazo. But that was just because like it was like rage and he wasn't really, he didn't really know what he was doing. So like that's why I think there he's like here, like Kid Nagato is probably here, but if it's an adult Nagato that's not decrepit, um, then yeah, he's probably A, like top of A or S. Okay, these Taka guys, Suigetsu's better than Toby. Um, these guys aren't better than these guys, I don't think. Um, so like the reason I have Orochimaru here is because I'm an Orochimaru fanboy, and I feel like Orochimaru didn't get the screen time nor the like respect. Um, so he's a master of all jutsu and like has knowledge over all jutsu. So like I feel like he could handle these ninjutsu users like Kisame and Konan. Uh, but like people with just raw like power and abilities like the Uchiha guys and Nagato, like I don't think he fares. But like a theoretical like prime Orochimaru, I feel like beats everybody below him right here. So yeah, that's the Akatsuki tier list for me. I think I explained everybody pretty much. Like, um, did I explain Kisame or not Kisame? Hidan and Cox. Okay, Kakazu. Like his demon guys are strong, but everybody in front of him's gonna know how to take him down. Like he has 4 lives basically, and if you can deal with his demon, like 4 demons, then you're good. So like even these two in C, I feel like could contend or contest this spot, but I'm gonna just keep him next to Hidan. Uh, so yeah, I think that's pretty much everybody. Zetsu can't do shit. He has Hasuyama cells, but these white Zetsu guys are just zombies and can't do shit. So yeah, that's it.